front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Advanced Features. Over here under Google. Now scroll all the way down to click on Dual Messenger. When you're ready to clone any available app, click on Gray Switcher right next to it and choose Install in the pop-up. Then wait. So now when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, you can hold it and tap on Uninstall over here, or go back to the same settings and use blue switcher right next to it. Then hit Uninstall in the pop-up and wait. If you wish to use a separate contact list, click on it. Tap on Gray Switcher at the top right corner. Hit Select Contacts and tap on Add at the top right corner. Then select all of your contacts by clicking on the chosen ones. And when you finished, hit Done at the bottom. In order to delete one of them or all of them, hit Delete at the top right corner. Pick Contacts to delete and hit Done at the bottom right corner over here. Now in this pop-up you can decide if you wish to add contacts again or click on Don't Add on the left. Go back, and to disable this option if you don't want to use it anymore, click on blue switcher at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice by hitting OK in this pop-up. Lastly, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!